I'm going to show you how you start investing in the stock market so that you make wife-changing money. The kind of money you make and your wife will start treating well. That is what you'll be able to make from the stock market. And I'm going to show you how to enter a trade, how to also go out using technical analysis. And I'm also going to show you how to do your own compounding calculator and see how you can comfortably build wealth for yourself. Only you will know the strategy, the principle you are applying, and you continue to build wealth. And I'll also show you how to create an account, how to buy and sell, how to load your account from anywhere you are in the world and invest in the US stock market or in the New York Stock Exchange. So that is what we are going to do. So in case you're new to this channel, this is the Financial Edge with Investor Joe, and we are here to ensure that you have total financial emancipation through trade and investment. That is, after you trade and make money, you take it to real estate and tie it down so that it can generate more passive income, or you make your real estate your portfolio. So guys, that is what we are going to do. So the first thing I want to introduce to you is to let you know what is stocks. So according to Google, stocks are a type of investment that represent a share of ownership in a company. They are also known as shares or equity. So if a company is trying to get money to build maybe their idea or they want to expand, what do? Let me give you some key points here. It's a company sells shares to raise money to grow the business. This is called an initial public offering. So in case you hear IPO, these are a way company comes into the market to get some money and invest in their business. So after they have invested in the business, they are mandatory. They have a compulsory tax to ensure that they inform investors how the company is faring every 3 months. That is their duty. So we have the first quarter report, second quarter report, third quarter report, and fourth quarter report. And if the company is doing well, what they need to do now is to ensure they pay dividends to reward the investors. That is, they will check how much they get as revenue, they will subtract the production costs or selling costs, and the remaining one, after removing administrative costs and every other cost, the net profit is what they will not decide how many percent they will pay investors, or if they will retain the earnings. So that is what IPO means. Then stockholders can buy and sell shares on the stock market, which is what we are going to do here. We're going to look on how to buy and sell a particular shares like this. We will know how to buy and sell. I will show you guys how to do all this stuff. So let's move back to what we were discussing. So the value of a stock, I'm actually here. The value of a stock is based on the company's performance and its futures potential. So companies give you prediction, give you forecast, earning forecast, so that you see a future value in their company, so that you take part. So the more people buy, the more there is a demand for a particular company, the more the price will go up. And sometimes company keeps updating the general public on new products, new ideas, and news that will actually serve as catalysts to push their price. So stockholders receive a portion of the company's profit, which I've explained, and which are called dividends. So stocks may also have voting rights at shareholders meetings. So there are some stocks that if you own it, you don't have a voting right. So we have common stocks. This gives shareholders voting rights and a share of the company's profit, while we have preferred stocks. Give shareholders a share of the company's profits before common stockholders, but usually doesn't give them voting right. So, and we have different kinds of stocks. So we have some stocks that are growth stocks. So they have earnings that grow faster than the market average. Then we have income stocks. They pay dividends consistently. So that is what they do. So we are going to look at the first one, which is common stocks. That is what we are going to buy and sell using the TROVE platform. So let me just give you some little information. So buying stocks can help you build wealth if the value of stocks increase over time. We're going to discuss about that. Then you can buy stocks privately or on stock exchange. So what I'm going to teach you is how to buy on stock exchange. If you want to buy privately, you have to go to the company and do some negotiation on how to go about it. So that is some key things you need to know. So this is our roadmap. So how to set up your account. So move to this area here. Of course, if you go to app.trovefinance.com, you're able to see where you log in. If you're using Facebook, if you're using WhatsApp, creating this account won't be a challenge. Just click the link on the description below and it will take you to a platform asking you to register. Do the necessary registration, provide your details, and also upload your IDs, and your account to be verified. So once your account is verified, you will see your portfolio like this. So for instance, this is my portfolio. What I have $12, and the stocks I bought was actually Riot. This is it here. I bought Riot. Current value is 11.71, and you can see profit and loss. So before we move that, let me show you how you can actually how to fund your account. I think is necessary. What you do is you come to this place, which is portfolio. Remember, I'm using my laptop. You can also use your phone, and I'm also going to do a video that will teach you how to use your phone to get all this. So what you want to do, you want to come here and click fund portfolio. So now you want to ask which portfolio you want to fund. So is either you fund using your US dollar if you have DOM account, and if you reside in a place where you have access to dollar, you can use it. But if all you have access to is Nigeria, so you say add funds directly to US portfolio in Naira. So you want to click continue. Once you click continue, it will give you options. So are you using transfer? Are you using barter? Are you using paga? So if you choose you are using transfer, you click continue. So what you want to do, you want to add the amount you have here. Let's say you want to load, this figure is below portfolio balance. So deposit money directly into your portfolio. So this is what we'll do now. You come to this place, and let's say you want to deposit 2 million naira. So you come here and type 2 million naira. So if you want to deposit 2 million naira, you click continue. So it said pay with a new card. We don't want to pay with a card, but we've already choose transfer. So all you need to do is to click continue. Of course, I'm just doing this for educational purpose for you to know how to do it. I don't want, okay, let me click continue so you see how to actually do it. So you see now, proper analysis, the money is 2 million. Instant deposit fee is actually 0. Payment processor fee is 2,212. And the exchange rate is $1 to 1,600 naira. So the amount you will receive in USD for the 2 million is actually 1,248. So that is what you'll be receiving for 2 million naira. You will get $1,248. So the total you are paying is 2,000. You are paying 2,02,212. So that is what you're paying. So all you need to do is to click yes, deposit. Then the payment details will be shown, and you use the transfer details to transfer money into your account. So once you transfer money into your account, you are good to go, and you will see the money reflect. So we are not going to do this. I just want to show you how to fund your account. So the next thing I want to show you guys is how to buy and sell. So move here. For instance, you come to this place, you click trade, but let's say it's a fresh asset. Let's come here, we want to buy. Let's say we want to buy Credo. I know my previous video I used Credo as an example. It's because the stock is actually doing well. That's why I used it. So this is it. This is Credo. So you check the top here. You see buy and sell. For those who are just joining, I'm actually using TROVE. TROVE is a tested platform, so to speak. Though I've not reached out to them for sponsorship, and this video is not a sponsored video. I just want to educate you on how to use this platform. But just in case they want to sponsor my video, I'll be everly ready to have a partnership with them. So guys, in case you're still watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that I get notified when I post videos like this. So let's grow with this channel. Let's subscribe, let's share with your friends so that we'll grow together. So once you search it here, you see the button here, buy and sell. So you want to click buy. So once you click buy, you see it gives you details. So this is what I have in my portfolio, which is called buying power. I actually have 40 cents as a buying power. So the numbers of shares I want to be here, and the corresponding value will be here. And the trade type is either buy market. Let's look at what we have, or buy limit. So this is the price and this is the amount. So let's say we want to use buy market. That is, we are working with two types of order. We have market order and limit order. So we are doing market order. We'll come here, we'll say we need okay, when we are using market order, you will not be able to put the shares you need. So all you need to do is to come down here and do your calculation here. So this one is just what you are holding. This is giving you details of your portfolio, what you are holding, and the corresponding value. Why this is the area that you want to focus on. This is the area you want to focus on. So now we put this here, buy market. This is the price for 79.82, and the amount here is this, and numbers of shares. So let's say we want to buy 2 shares. Let's, for example, okay, let's use 10. Let's say we want to buy 10 shares. So 10 shares will give us $798. So then we click continue. Then your order will be filled automatically based on the price available in the market. So let's try another buy order. Let's say we want to do buy limit. So when we come to buy limit, you see there's a little bit of changes. The price is stationed here. So the price is stationed here and the limit is here. So now we want to determine the price here. So we'll come here and say we want to buy at 78 and we want to buy 10 units. We'll come here and say we want to buy 10 units. So you can see this is the reference price, but this is what we are determined to buy. So immediately you click this, it will place the order. And once the order is filled, if you want to buy more, it's going to show you this for you to know what you already have. So that is how you buy. So let's move straight to how you sell. Let's go to our portfolio and let's check layouts. Let's come to this place. Let's click trade. So now that you click trade, you can see our 2 button is active. That's one thing. Let me show you guys that thing. So for example, if you come to this browser set, you come here, we choose Credo. If you see this sell button is not enabled because we don't have the asset, but this buy is enabled because we can actually buy. So when you move to our portfolio, you see that both will be active, will be very active. So we'll come here, both are enabled, you see. So you can buy more and you can sell the ones you have. So let's click sell. So now that we've clicked sell, you see that we will be focused in this area if we are using sell order. So you can see the price. All we need to come here. So all we need here is to come and put the shares. The shares we have is, let's look at, we have 0.98. So we have 0.98. That is the shares we have. So the equivalent we reflect here is $11.76. Why? Because we are selling what we have here and we are using market order. So let's switch it to limit. So now we have limit order. So we can come here and determine the price we want to sell. We can say we want to sell at 13 and we'll come here and put the number of shares that we have, 0.98. So that is what we have. So you see the price is showing us here that this is the market price. And this is our holdings here. And this is the corresponding value. So it has changed again. So we choose 13. We want to sell above. You click this. That is how you sell your shares. So let's move to the next one. Let's say you want to protect your shares, like the price is coming down or you're already in profit, but you want the profit to remain. So you can come here and click sell stop loss. So all you are doing here is to determine the price that, okay, if this price dropped to, now is 12, you say, okay, if you drop to 10, because even at 10, maybe you bought at 5 and at 10 you are good, but you are still holding just in case there is an upward potential. So all you need to do is you have 10 here as the price, then you come here and put the number of shares that you have, which is 0.98. So now I click it and my sell stop loss order will be established. So you see, when we are buying, we add only 2 options: buy, market buy, and limit buy. So now we come to sell, we have 3 options because now you now have some assets. So we now have sell stop loss, we now have sell, we now have market sell, and we now have limit sell. So those are the types of orders that we have. So I hope you'll be able to buy and sell and you'll be able to start your journey. So one major question a lot of people ask is, how much can I start investing? So anytime somebody asks me such question, I know what they are looking for. They are looking for excuse not to make progress. Because by the time you mention a figure and they don't have, they will hold on to it and said, I wish I have this money. And mind you, they will meet people around and start telling them that this is the money you need to start trading. A trusted person told me. They don't know if the person is lying to them or if the person don't want them to be free financially. They will carry up with that news until they come across another new knowledge that let them know that, guy, you can actually start trading with 0 Naira. How? I will show you. All you need is to come to this place. So all you need to do is to come to this place here. You see, it says switch to demo. So if I come here and switch to demo, I have 1 million Naira and I can increase it. I can increase it to any amount I want. But 1 million Naira portfolio is fine for Nigeria. If I take it to US, If I take you to US, I have $10,000. So guys, with $10,000, you can start demo trading. So you see, you can start trading with 0 Naira. You have free $10,000 to trade with. So by the time you're able to trade consistently, if you're able to trade consistently and you're able to turn your $10,000 to a huge amount, guys, that is when you know that, okay, you are good to go. And you can put as little as 5,000 Naira, 10,000 Naira, 100,000 Naira. Just start where you are. There is no limit to what you can do. Start where you are. Now you've seen that you have free $10,000. So after watching this video, if you are a newbie, you are not just watching this to waste your time. After you've watched it, click the link, open an account with TROVE, and establish your trading account. Start with demo, start buying and selling, pretend as if it's real, buy Facebook, buy Apple, and come here, watch my channel. Any stock I'm recommending, buy also, and see how your portfolio grow. It will motivate you, it will build your skills, it will raise you up to that state that you're able to trade real money. So you can start with $10, $20. The beautiful thing about all this is, imagine you start with $20 and you're able to turn it to $100. It will be a mind-blowing news. And that is what a lot of people, and that's what God wants to do in your life. So you have to give him that permission by you taking the first step so that he will do the remaining ones. So you come here and switch back to live, and I come here and switch back to US. So you see, you can actually use this platform to trade both Nigeria and US, but I think it's good for the US stocks. For Nigerian stock, I'll do another video where I'll show you how to actually use a dedicated broker for Nigerian stocks. So guys, that is what we have learned so far. So we want to look at compounding calculator. So compounding calculator is for the fact that now you've learned how to trade. You want to see if I'm able to create a system, and if I'm able to pay attention to this system, how much will I be able to make from this system, in the sense that how much will I make after 10, after 20, after 30 years if I'm consistent in getting some certain amount into this place. So you can also check online, you can see it, compounding calculator, and do your own calculation. So what will be our initial investment? We'll put $1,000 as our initial investment. Then our monthly contribution, we want to put $200 for our monthly contribution. And the length of years, let's say we want to do it for 40 years. You can determine how many years you want to do your own. So you want to do it for 40 years, and use interest rate. We want to look at 10%. We are not looking for much, but the truth is you can actually do 20% a year. If you dedicate time to build your portfolio, you can do 10% a year. But let's just assume you can even do 100% a year, but let us not go far. Let's just say you're a newbie, you just want to do this one, so let's do 10%. Then the interest rate variance, let's just say 2%, either up or down, 2% variance. So we'll come here and we'll click calculator to calculate how much we are going to have if we do this for 40 years. So if we do this for 40 years consistently, how much are we going to have? Guys, we are going to have $1.1 million. $1.1 million, guys. $1.1 million. That's like 1.7 billion. That is what you're going to have. Imagine you retire with this kind of amount. So the beautiful thing about all this calculation is for you to start early. If you start early, you'll be able to make massive returns. So that is the compounding calculator. So let's look what we're going to teach next. I've talked about demo. So what I want to show you guys now is chart. So I've done a video on chart analysis. You can come to my YouTube channel. This is it, Master Trading View. I've done this in less than 27 minutes. I taught you key things you need to know about Trading View. So you need to do this. And if you want to have absolute details on what I'm just teaching, you want to have full details about stock market, you have to watch this video. This video is 1 hour long. Dedicate this time and understand how to do this. And also, if you want to trade, you can come here and trade US stock from Nigeria. I showed you how to navigate through 2 apps here so that you'll be able to buy and sell and do whatever you're doing. And how to get any report is another one you can check. There are just 4 videos. They are not overwhelming. Just dedicate time to do it and you will see how you will grow massively. So this is the market. This is the technical analysis. For example, I bought this stock when it was actually $1, I bought it around this region here when it was $1, and you can see right now I'm up 45% on this stock. So what you want to do, you can see I circle this area. I'm expecting the market to break from here. So you want to learn technical analysis. All these tools, you want to know their function, you want to know trend line, you want to know support and resistance, you want to know all these things, which I talked about in this video here. I talked about it in this video. So I'm going to do subsequent videos that will give details on how to actually use this platform. So all these are where stocks that are put on the watch list shows, and this is the price, and this is the time frame that is here, and the ticker symbol of the stock you are looking for is here. We have indicators and we have replay, and you can see the sell and the buy. You can see the spread is 1 cent. So that is what you want to do. You want to learn how to do this and key in into this. Another stock we can look at is KIT. KIT is another stock that is at a good entry. Oh, it has gone up. When I was doing analysis, KIT was actually 160, and as you can see right now, KIT is doing 168. So look at the chart. You see we are buying at support. So this is support hold. We have ability to make a potential of let's take it here, 266%. So imagine you're putting $1,000 here, you will turn that $1,000 to 2,500, if not 3,000. That is what will happen. So this is another good stock that you can buy as a result of this video, but ensure you're buying at this range. Once it break out from this range, you want to run from it, because you'll be expecting pullback from any time. So after this break, we'll see it coming up to this area. So you can decide to sell at 4, or you can decide to take half of your profit when it doubles. Then when it doubles again, you take another half and you continue to half and trade. So that is another good strategy to take profit. So guys, I've shown you how to do technical analysis and also how to buy and sell. So also you can also do your fundamental analysis also, which is key, and you can get informations from the Google Finance. You can see these are top gainers right now. You can see BBI is trailing, is going to 9, and very soon is going to 10. Like I said, once BBI get to 10, I posted it. I told my community, I told them that once it get to 10 is the right time to go, because we'll be expecting pull back. So that is some good things you need to know. So just for recap, I showed you how to use, I showed you what is stocks, what stocks are, what you need to know about stock, the type of stocks we have, and also I showed you how to fund your account. I showed you how to buy and sell and how to get your account set up. I also show you how to use demo account so that you can create, you can use $10,000 to practice whatever you'll be learning as you watch my YouTube channel. And also I showed you how to use technical analysis, show you how to buy at support and sell at resistance. So full details on technical analysis will be in another video. Here is just a brush up for you to know how to do all this. So guys, I hope you've been able to learn 1 or 2 from this. And if you have any question, don't forget to drop your comment to let me know what you want me to teach, what area you're struggling with, so that I can do a video to address that particular area. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and enemies, and don't forget to tell your neighbor that you've learned something new today. So until we see again, keep growing wealth without tears. I love you all. Bye.